discussed yesterday in our training. And I am sure that we came all out and we came all in our numbers. And I would like to hand over to our host this evening. Although I can't see him right now, I'm not sure if he has joined us. Yes, he has joined us. So I'm going to I will hand over to him and co-host together with him. Please, ladies and gentlemen, let us welcome our global leader. His name is Johan Botha. We know him for his amazing work throughout the world. He was actually the one guy that made a lot of BNBs during the glitch because he had a way of working in the blockchain before everybody else was, knowing how to do it. He jumped onto the blockchain the minute the glitch was happening and made a lot of BNBs. So without any further ado, it's over to you, Johan. I've just made you the host so that you can be able to share the presentation with us. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, Winnie. I'd like to start off with this song, if it can just get to that screen now. Yes, good evening, members from all over the world. I'm going to start off with this song. I want you to listen to the words. And then we can proceed with the presentation.
We are not picking the sound, my leader. Is the sound supposed to have started now?
Oh, okay. All right, I just need to enable the sound. You can just add it there.
Are you waiting for the right excuse? Are you waiting for a sign to choose? While you're waiting, it's the time you lose. What are you waiting for? Don't you wanna spread your wings and fly? Don't you really wanna live your life? Don't you wanna love before you die? What are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? Gotta go and reach for the top. Believing every dream that you got. You're only living once, so tell me, what are you Everybody's got a choice to make. Everybody needs a leap of faith. When are you taking yours? What are you waiting for? You're gonna go and reach for the top. Believe in every dream that you've got. You're only living once, so tell me, what are you waiting for? You know you gotta give it your all. Don't you be afraid if you fall. You're only living once, so tell me, what are you waiting for? You're gonna go and reach for the top. What are you waiting for? Believe in every dream that you got. What are you waiting for? You know you gotta give it your all. What are you waiting for? You're only living once, so tell me, what are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? What are you waiting for?
Okay, welcome again, everyone who joined here on a Friday evening. I'm glad you could make it, and thank you for your time. And let's have a look at what is RainBnB and why is this the best platform currently worldwide for everyone to make extra money or a full-time income. So let's have a look at the electrifying world of RainBnB. So RainBnB is the next generation of RideBnB, which was started on the 7th of August 2024. And since then, after the glitch happened in the smart contract of RideBnB, they launched RainBnB on the 16th of January this year. And it has just got more bonuses, more benefits than RideBnB itself, although RideBnB smart contract is still carrying on and people are still getting paid there as well. So let's look at the $1 million question that each and every person must ask themselves in their lifetime. As you listen to that song now, you're asking, what are you waiting for? Many people are asking the $1 million question, who wants to fail in life? And always the answer will be nobody, because nobody on this earth has been created or has been born to fail in this life. Each and every person wants to succeed and wants to make a success of their life, no matter who you are, where you're from, or which country you live in. All right, but research has shown that only 97% of people worldwide, they remain mediocre and average only, and they just cruise through life, while only 3% will ever achieve wealth or success. So yes, we must ask ourselves that question. And when people think about wealth and success, they always think about finances, number one. That is the main thing for meeting or success in most people's view. So let's look at the reasons why people fail in life or why they just stay mediocre or average. They lack a burning desire, they have a poor mindset, or they are full of excuses, or they just give up too easily before they achieve any success or go over to taking action. Right? They fail to seize the right opportunity at the right time. They will either overanalyze it and look for excuses, look for reasons why they cannot do a thing or participate in a program. Because of previous experiences and experiences that they got hurt or scammed before. So there's also a lack of trust and transparency in programs, and there's also an absence of a genuine and a legit system where people don't have trust in. So let's carry on, and please, for this presentation, forget everything that you have learned before or your previous experience with any other online money-making platform or program or whatever you have been involved in. RainBnB is 110% totally different from any other platform. And we will have a look at this now. This presentation is in two parts. The first part is about RainBnB itself. And then the second part is the compensation plan that we will run through. RainBnB has a solution for each and every one to achieve success. This is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity that will last you for a lifetime. And here you'll have the opportunity to earn an exceptional income, whether you're working full-time or only part-time. All right, this is a cutting-edge 21st century business model, and this creates a win-win situation for everyone that is involved in this business. So if you look at here at the top left, this is a business that you can start for yourself, you can build it up, and this business will pay for the rest of your life. So you will have to work for somebody if you do not have your own business. So why don't make that person yourself and you work for yourself? But you need to get started, obviously. Let's look at what is RainBnB then. So RainBnB is a pioneering community building platform on the OPBnB blockchain network, where members accumulate BNB. So we don't buy BNB in this platform, we earn BNB, we accumulate as much BNB as we want to. Right, RainBnB has been established by a team of experts from Europe and Russia, and they share they have a shared passion for and expertise in blockchain projects, smart contracts, and artificial intelligence. So RainBnB is not a return on investment platform where you just buy something or put your money in and you sit back and wait for your daily returns. But it is possible for you to get paid on a daily basis. Right, RainBnB is not a donation platform or a gifting platform, but you will receive big payments if you meet the requirements of this smart contract. Right, let's look at the vision and the mission of RainBnB. The mission is to empower and unite individuals globally through a decentralized community building platform by making use of the smart contract to facilitate or to manage all transactions in a transparent way that will mutually benefit each and every member involved in this platform. Right, the vision is to be the leading platform that makes use of this decentralized ecosystem to empower everyone throughout the whole world that is a part of this program. Now, let's just have a look at the smart contract. It's a small definition here, or short definition. It's a self-executing trustless agreement that is run on the blockchain. Now, you might think that the word trust is, that might throw you a bit. You might think there's no trust in here. The main thing of a smart contract is you can basically replace that word with a robot. There's no human emotions involved here. There's no human will involved in this smart contract. And that's the main difference, or the main point that you need to consider before you join any platform to make any income. Now let's look at the word trustless. Most of us didn't know about this, and we questioned this. So this is what it means. It means that you don't have to trust a third party. In other words, a bank or a person or any intermediary that could operate between you and your cryptocurrency transactions or holdings. All right, so we see that that trust is removed here, that you have to trust a person or a management group or a company or a CEO. That is totally removed here, because this smart contract doesn't use emotions or to make any payments. Now let's carry on. Why is RainBnB 100% risk-free and scam-free? Right, RainBnB is a decentralized platform. Take note of this word, decentralized. That means there is no third party involved here. There is no single owner or single management group responsible for this. It's totally decentralized. RainBnB is 100% decentralized. All right, but why is it 100% risk and scam free? The main answer to that question is because no money is kept on the smart contract. The balance is always zero. You can log in, and here is the address. You can go there any time of the day, 24 hours a day. It will always be zero. So how do people get paid then? Yeah? As soon as transactions are made, it is done to the smart contract. The smart contract pays those money out, the BNB immediately to the qualifying members. So everything that goes into the smart contract is immediately distributed to the qualifying members immediately. No money is ever kept here that can be channeled to a different person or a different address or owner or one central wallet. There is no such thing like this here. This is what makes RainBNB 100% scam free and risk free. So there is no risk involved here. There is also no chance of you being scammed or your money being stolen or channeled to somebody else. So nobody can come in here and steal any money here. No money gets accumulated in the smart contract. Right, let's look at 18 reasons why you need to join RainBNB. The first one, again, is it's fully 100% decentralized platform. Even the application is 100% decentralized. You cannot find that application on your normal Google Play Store or Apple iPhone store. It is only attainable on the official Telegram channel of RainBNB. Right, so if you have the option to work through your Web3 wallet, of course, but there is a decentralized application available, so that makes RainBNB 100% decentralized, apart from the smart contract, which is also decentralized. Right, you don't need to build a big community, because for you to qualify to receive payments, you only need to refer a minimum of 2 other people. You start receiving payments immediately to your wallet. Right, there's also no limit in the working hours, because this is a global business, and you can work 24/7 on this smart contract all over the world, anytime you want, when you want to, for how long you want to. There's no time limit here. Right, and nobody can change the smart contract, not even the developers. This is another big point to remember. No one can change the smart contract. All the codes and laws that is written in the smart contract, it will operate like that until the day that the internet stops or electricity stops to exist on planet Earth. Until that time, this smart contract will carry on. It will execute all its commands exactly as it was written the first day it was written. Nobody can change this. If they want to make any changes, they need to rewrite a totally different smart contract. And even if they do that, this smart contract will still carry on into infinity until the end of time. Right, so you see that this is fully decentralized. No one can change this. It's not dependent on any website. This is not like a normal platform that you have a website, you have to log in, that can be shut down or anything. The reason why is because these things that they get reported, and then people shut them down, or the owners run away with the money and they close the website. This is not possible in RainBNB. Absolutely not. Right, it's totally operated by the blockchain. The smart contract runs this whole business on the blockchain. Right, nobody can stop that smart contract. You are your own boss as well. Many of us don't like to work for other people. We know the situation. This is also a business for a lifetime, and nobody can stop this as long as there's internet exists. So as long as you have an internet connection, you can work on RainBNB wherever you want to, whenever you want to. So yes, there's also no monthly fees. We know other platforms, they've got products and they've got compensation plans where you have to pay a monthly fee to stay a member, to be active, or to get paid. There's no such thing here in RainBNB. There's also no products to sell in RainBNB or to ship around. You have to send products. Other companies, they have products to sell, and you need to sell a different product or a certain amount of volume, and then you only get paid. There's no such thing in RainBNB. The product in RainBNB is BNB, the coin itself. And we'll have a look at that a bit later now. So there's also no liability on you when you become a member of Rain BNB. There's no targets to meet, as I just said to you. You don't have to meet any targets. You set your deadlines and goals for yourself. You decide how much BNB you want to earn by when and wherever you want to meet a certain rank or level that is totally 100% up to yourself. Right, this is also 100% transparent. Everything is recorded on the blockchain. Each and every transaction that goes onto the blockchain is recorded on the smart contract. And also in your Web3 wallet, you can trace all transactions, all payments. Right, this platform is 100% risk-free. You will never ever lose your money. You cannot lose your money. There's no ways of losing any money here. Right, it's legal in most countries worldwide. Obviously, there is some countries that doesn't accept crypto. There it will not be legal. Payments are also done instantly. You do not have to request any withdrawals in this platform. Payments are done instantly, like in milliseconds, and you will receive it when you qualify according to the smart contract requirements. Right, you and you alone are in control of your money on this platform. Right, it's 100% scam-free as we saw already. And this platform doesn't use a new token or it's got its own token that it must still build up a value or get traction into the market. And in the future, it might get some value, and then only you can swap it for or trade it for any currency or money. There is no such thing here. We are using BNB coin, which is the first strongest cryptocurrency worldwide on CoinMarketCap currently. Right, so there's no launching a new coin or a new token that you have to first build up value. There's no need for that. Yeah. Right, and the main reason is for you to join RainBNB is because you want or you need extra income or a full-time income. That you can decide for yourself where you are on that. All right, let's look at BNB. What is the current value of BNB? BNB is currently trades around $650 today, 650, 651, around there, but it's stable around 600, between $500 and $700. When I joined last year in September, it was under $500 per coin. So it has increased a little bit in value since then, but just look at the 5-year growth of BNB. BNB was launched in July of 2017. Then only it cost 10 US dollar cents per one BNB coin. And since then, the all-time high it has grown to with 8,400% on average. Right, the last 5-year growth is 3,600%. That it has grown in value, and the future predictions is that it might reach between 4,000 and 10,000 within the next 2 to 5 years. And the analysts predict that the price in 2025 this year it can reach an average of $790 per BNB coin, which suggests the potential for significant growth and market stability for BNB. Right. We also see that that you do not need to build a new coin or token that has no value. This has already been done. This is the reason why we use BNB as a payment method here for members to be remunerated for their work. Right, let's have a look at why BNB and why are they using it on the OPBNB network. So yes, here's just a screenshot of CoinMarketCap as a couple of weeks ago. Let's talk a bit about the OPBNB network. Most people are accustomed or knows about the BEP20 or the Binance Smart Chain network. This is a different network, the OPBNB network. It was launched in 2023. And the main reason for that was for gaming and NFTs and so on. But it has low transaction fees and is extremely fast. So yes, that is one other reason why they are using BNB on the OPBNB network. Because we've seen in many other smart contracts previously that the gas fees or the transaction fees, it increases and it becomes too high at a certain stage and you can't continue in that smart contract anymore. But that is not the case with OPBNB because the gas fees remain stable and it's always a low cost. It's almost zero. So yes, and it's very fast. And if I say fast, you can believe me that it's like almost immediate where you when you do transactions or when you must receive payments. So yes, here's more information that you can go and read up on this OPBNB network on this address here. You can also go and Google yourself and read up there on this network here. Right, let's just recap and see the most important features of RainBNB. There is no ownership control. As we said right in the beginning, it's decentralized. There's nobody that can steal your money, that can redirect your money, or that can change the plan or the compensation plan suddenly to favor himself or to favor somebody else or a group of other people. That is not possible in RainBNB. The smart contract cannot be changed, not even by the developers. Right, so you saw that there is no money being kept on the smart contract. As soon as the money comes in the smart contract, it gets distributed immediately to the qualifying members. And nobody can change the codes that is written on the smart contract. So what that tells you is that as long as we have internet existence on this earth, this smart contract will operate exactly as it was supposed to or designed to do from the first day it was launched. Nobody can change it. It will not ever change. If they need to change it, they will write a totally different one. Even then, this smart contract will still carry on and operate as it is supposed to be. As we said, it's fully decentralized once again, and it's blockchain driven. It's not dependent on any website. So we've seen earlier this year that the competition, they have reported the URLs in the Web3s that people are using to work on the blockchain is just easier for the members to work through their Web3 wallets on the URLs. They are still available, but many of them has been reported and that they try to discourage the members of RainBNB to work on the smart contract. So now it's not possible when you use the app, you cannot report the application. If you work on the application, it's 100% decentralized. Nobody can interfere there or report the application. Right, so even if the websites or the URLs are down, you can still work on the blockchain or on the smart contract directly. You can do registrations, upgrades, you can claim your bonuses on the smart contract directly, even if the websites are down or not accessible. Right, there's also absolute trust and transparency in this platform. And as I said already, it's an unchangeable system. Nobody can change the system. This is very, very important. If you look at previous platforms or even current platforms that are busy scamming people, and there's lots of changes, and people, you look for who controls the money. That's the main thing. Where does the money go to? Who controls the money? Who controls the payouts, the withdrawals? How is people remunerated or members of the platform? How do they get paid? Who's in control of that? Yeah, it is absolutely no human being involved in the payment. And that is what we are looking for. We have been looking for that for years. All the other platforms they've been, or most of them have been run by human beings or management groups, especially those that collapsed or ran away with people's money. Yeah, there is absolutely no human factor to control the money. The only thing is you make the payment and then the smart contract takes over and it distributes the money to whoever qualifies. Right, as I said, the payments are done instantly. There's no need for any withdrawal requests. You don't have to wait a day or two or next week or a month or send the email. There's nothing like that yet. There's the fees, the transaction fees is very low and it is stable and it will always stay that way. RainBNB has got a global reach. You can work in as many countries as you want to, all over the world, and 24/7, just when you want to and as it suits you. right? It's also autonomous in operation. When you register on this platform, there's no sharing of any of your personal data, email address, cell phone, nothing like that. The only thing that you need is a Web3 wallet, and that address will connect to the smart contract. And then you will receive a user ID. And that is your ID to work on the platform. There's no personal details that is shared on this platform. Unlike other platforms where you have to do your KYC or you know your client, and the people must register and know who's who. That's not necessary in this platform. Right, it's 100% risk-free and scam-free. There's no liability here. You do not have to meet any targets. So the main thing, there's no risk here. We see people classifying platforms as low, high, medium risk. This is zero risk in this platform. It's absolutely zero risk. Right, you cannot be scammed. The scam-proof, scam-free. Nobody can scam you here. As long as you understand what you need to do, you will not be scammed. You cannot lose your money. Right, there's also no liability, as I said already. No products to ship and to move around, or targets to meet. I talked to one guy today, and he said to me, even if he registers and leaves the account for a year and does nothing, it will still carry on in a year's time. And that's exactly what it will do if you do that. But yes, it will operate until the end of time, exactly as it was supposed to. So we look again at this word trustless. Trustless means that you do not have to trust a third party, a bank, or a person, or any intermediary. Why am I putting so much emphasis on this? We know, and some of us have become accustomed to the fact that every morning you wake up and you log into the website to see how much you've earned or where's your money or what. And many times when you logged in and one day suddenly you log in and the website is gone, or there's something wrong there, or you're waiting for a withdrawal and nothing is coming. And then only thing that comes is excuses from the owners. Yeah, that is not possible, because you don't need to trust a person, a bank, or any other intermediary or management group or anything like that. This is very important, people. Simply put, RainBnB is light years ahead of any other platform. In all my years of experience in network marketing and all these platforms, I've never come across a platform with all the features that is in RainBnB. Yes, it is not always smooth sailing, but we overcome those issues. And there has been challenges already which has been overcome, and this platform is still carrying on and registering 1,000 positions daily, still after those challenges. That everything is 100% and it's perfect, it's working well. You just need to get connected, get informed, and stay connected. And then you will make a success of this platform. Right, so let's look at part 2 and how you're getting paid here. How are you getting started? So to get started, for you to become a successful internet entrepreneur, you'll need to do the following, because this platform alone has the ability to pave your way for big success and huge growth. Right, the way for you to get started, first thing, you need to download a Web3 wallet, any Web3 wallet that you are comfortable with. But in our experience, we have seen that SafePal is the most recommended one, because it is the most user-friendly one. Right, you have your own choice which wallet you can use. Here's just a couple of them. There are plenty more of them, but you can decide which wallet you want to use. The most important thing, doesn't matter which wallet you download, you must just write down your 12 words for each wallet and keep it in a safe place. Do not let those words get into the eyes of unscrupulous people or people that will steal your assets. That's the only way that you can get access to your wallet if you lose your wallet access. If something happens to your phone or your computer, those 12 words is the only way that you can get back into your wallet again. Because you do not want to sit with $1,000 or $2,000 in your wallet and then something happens and you can't get access to that. Then Nobody can help you there. Not even the support of any of these wallets can help you to retrieve the 12 words or get access to your wallet again. This is very, very important. We have seen many members that have lost their wallets, or they even deleted it and then they wanted to carry on, but they didn't write down their 12 words, so there was no way for them to get back into the accounts again. Right, so after you've done that, you downloaded the wallet, you've set it up with OPBNB, and what are your team members or upline who refers you, they will help you to set your wallet up with the OPBNB network and the coin. Right, then you fund your wallet with a minimum of 0.0044 BNB. Now that is approximately $2.50. And this is another big point for RainBNB to consider if you compare it with other platforms. Most other platforms, the minimum is maybe $10, $20, $100, $50. Here you can start with $2.50. Many of us have started, including myself, I started last year in RainBNB with this amount of BNB. That time it was around $2.50, which in South African rand was about 45 rand at that time. Right, since then, the BNB value has increased a bit, but it's still under 60, or it's about 60 rand now. Still, it might be, it is still around $2.50, between $2 and $4. You won't get more than that at the moment. All right, so after you funded your wallet with the minimum amount, you get your referral link and you register, and the person who refers you will also help you to register. All right, and after you register, then you write with the required BNB amount on the OPBNB network. And here we're talking about upgrading and building your team, because here lies the life-changing income. This beginner amount, it's just your ticket into the door of RainBNB, into a different world, a world that will change your life. If you commit to this, if you look at it, and if you put your 100% in it, I can guarantee you that this will change your life if you build it the right way and make use of this. Everything is here for you to become financially free, to make a huge success of your life. You just need to work on it. Train yourself, get as much info as what you can, know your story here. There is nothing that can stop you then, because you have everything that you need. It is here. You just need an internet connection and a Web3 wallet. That is it. Most of us got a smart device, either a laptop or a phone. You can work worldwide. There's nothing that can hinder you or stop you. Right, after you've registered, as we see here, that is the minimum to register. But it's recommended that you start at least to 0.005 BNB, which is around $3. Now, the reason for that is because you need a minimum of 2 people. Those 2 people, when they also register with the same amount, you will be able to upgrade to influencer without paying any extra out of your pocket. But that's up to you, it's your choice. But we recommend that you start at least on ambassador rank, which is your 4th rank, and that is about in the region of $30, around 600 rand today in South Africa. And you can just compare it in your own currency as well. But the reasons for this is we'll see at the end of this presentation the difference between starting on ambassador and starting on beginner. Not that it's not possible to start on beginner or influencer. There's just more bonuses and more benefits for you to start on higher levels as well. Then there is 2 things that you must do in RainBNB for you to get paid. You must refer a minimum of 2 other people with your own link directly. Just take note that it's a minimum of 2 people. There is no maximum, there's no limit to the amount of people that you can refer with your own link. But for the smart contract to know to pay you, it wants to see that you have referred 2 people, and then you will qualify to get payment. Not only 1 referral, but 2. 2 is the minimum. And for most bonuses, 2 is the minimum requirement that you need to refer with your link. And then the second must is you must upgrade to receive more payments. If you're just going to stay on beginner, you will get small payments, or even influencer, you will get small payments, but you will only get paid up until a certain level then. But for you to receive more payments, you need to upgrade, because you must be on that higher level to receive upgrade payments from the levels below you. So you've got the choice. You can make $1 million excuses, or you can make $1 million. Yeah. And if I say $1 million, it's not wishful thinking, it is possible. Right, so wealth is the result of wise choices, and it's not luck. Yes, luck is hard work that normally happens. So here's just the price list of the package costs. Here's your beginner is 0.0044 BNB, and here's equivalent in rand. And these prices will differ today because this was made when BNB was at $600 per BNB. So today it's 650. It's a little bit more, but it's still very, very close. So here you can see in these orange highlighted area, that's for you to recommend to start in one of these areas at least, or ranks. So the higher you can start, the better for yourself, and we'll see now why. But not under ambassador. So 600, you see that was 560 to the 600. It's around $33 today to start on ambassador. If you start directly from beginner to ambassador, you cannot just come in and register directly on ambassador. You need to upgrade. To register as a beginner, then upgrade to influencer, but you can upgrade all these in one go. You just need to register first, and then you can upgrade as far as you can, and all of them together. So you cannot just come in and go straight to ambassador. You need to go through the levels. You need to walk the stairs, to take the steps to the end. Right, you see that also there is 15 ranks. You all start at beginner and you upgrade as you go. And as you grow, or as you upgrade, everything just doubles. The amount, the upgrade fees doubles. We'll look at that now. The payment doubles, and the amount of people that you need doubles as well. But so does your payment or your income. It doubles, just every level, it just increases. So yes, let's look at the type of bonuses. Here's what we were talking about. There is 6 different bonuses in the BNB, whereas in Right BNB there is, I think, only 4 or 5. Here there's only 6 bonuses. So there's some bonuses available here that is not available in Right BNB. And the first one is there's a 10% referral bonus on each and every direct referral that you register with your link. You will receive 10% on that from that direct referral whenever he does register, and of all his subsequent upgrades, irrespective of which rank you are. You just need to be on the minimum rank of influencer for you to qualify. If you stay on beginner, you will only receive the beginner payments, or 10% then. But for you to receive the next upgrade, or 10% from your direct referrals, you need to upgrade to influencer. And then when your referrals even upgrade to creator, you will still receive 10% from your direct referrals all the way. Whenever they upgrade, you will receive that 10%. So this is a different bonus or extra income. People are used to referring only 2 people because the minimum requirement is a minimum of 2 people. But you need to refer as many as you want to. And that will benefit yourself, and it will benefit the team. Right, so we can see that if your one direct referral upgrades from start to creator, you will receive about 10 BNB. And if you compare that to today's price, you will receive in the region of between $6,000 to $7,000 from one direct only in his history of upgrading. If he upgrades all the way to creator. So, for instance, today, if your one direct upgrades all the way to creator, you will receive $6,500 just from one person if he upgrades today, according to the BNB value of today now. So what does that tell you? That tells me that I need to refer as many as possible with my own name. So yes, that will. Why do I do that? I'm going to benefit, and it will benefit the team as well, because it will just populate my team, my binary matrix. It will populate my linear matrix, my unilevel matrix. That will give me more benefits. Let's just look at the second bonus. It's the 69% direct referral bonus. And it says here. So you receive 69% of the basic package cost of every direct that you refer, right, with your link. So basically what you can change that to 79% if you include the 10% that you also get. All right, so and there's no limits to the amount or the number of direct referrals that one can refer. And here's just a breakdown of up to 100 if you what you're going to get, your commission here or your payouts. So this is in the region of, if you refer 100 people with your link, this will be around $200. Now that is still not life-changing money. That is, many people will, you can definitely not say no to that, but that is not going to change your life. The long run, this will definitely help you and assist you. When they start referring and building their teams and they upgrade, you will start receiving more, and also the 10%. But the rest, you need to refer a minimum of 2 people, and that's what you're going to get from that. So that is why we encourage people to refer as many people with the direct link as possible. All right, there is no end. This is just 100 is also not the limit. There is no limit. You can go wild with this and just refer as many as possible. Right now, here is the biggest income in RainBnB, and this is the upgrading bonus. So as I said already, everything just doubles in your side. This is your binary matrix. So you will have place for 2 people on your first level, and then everything just doubles from your second level will have 8 or 4, and then 8, and then your fourth level you have 16. Now, this is where you get in your ambassador rank or ambassador level. So your fourth level is equal to your ambassador rank, and fifth level is like pioneer. Everything just doubles it. We see if you come in, for instance, on ambassador, this is what it's going to cost you. That is the cost for ambassador, including all the previous levels. So that will basically double. As I said already, it's about $30. So this is just when you are on Achiever, then you just need to pay this amount, and you will be on ambassador. But what does that mean? You will have 16 people under you that will pay you when they upgrade to ambassador on your fourth level. And they will pay you in the region of $160, $170, depending on the BNB price of that day. So yes, the ranks below that doesn't really, it's not big life-changing money. It is something for you to start up, and you need about 3 payments to upgrade to the next level. So many people, they keep the money for their own upgrades, or they take money out of their pocket to upgrade. But many people that don't want to use extra money to upgrade, and it is definitely possible to do it, to upgrade all the way without adding extra money. But some people want to grow as fast as possible, and so they pay out of their pocket and they upgrade as high as they can. And then also they start building a team, and then they use that money that's coming in, that's basically just profit then. Because you need to be on the rank specifically to receive that upgrade funds. Let's take, for instance, on ambassador, let's stay there. You are on Achiever, but you have people in your fourth level, and they upgrade to ambassador. You will not receive the payments. The payments will skip you. It will go to the first qualifying member on top of you. The smart contract will look for the first qualifying member there. If you do upgrade to ambassador, you will, or if you are on ambassador, 16 people will pay you when they upgrade to ambassador on your fourth level. That's the 16 people on your fourth level. And you will receive around $160 to $170 there. Right now, you use 3 of those payments, and you upgrade to Pioneer, here everything doubles again. Your amount of people that's going to pay you doubles in number, so you will get 32 payments of around $20, basically. And that will pay, they will pay in the region of $700 already in BNB. So yes, you will need 3 payments from this level to upgrade to mentor again, and then the same process repeats itself. Everything doubles. The amount upgrade cost doubles, the payment doubles, but also the number of people that is required on that level. Now take note that it doesn't mean that when you have these people on your 6th level that you're already going to receive this money. No, it does not work that way. When these people upgrade on your 6th level and you are on mentor, when they upgrade to mentor, they will pay you this amount. If all of them come, and you will not receive all the money at once, you will receive it as each of these 64 if they upgrade. You will receive it one by one until you get to the full amount of, and there's already is about 4 BNB. If all of these people upgrade and they pay you that amount. So you just need to upgrade yourself as high as possible, either by just building it up organically and using that money, or you can add money from your own pocket. But as I said already, it's recommended that you upgrade at least to one of these 4 ranks, either champion, mentor, pioneer, or ambassador, and even director as well. Many people, there are people all over the world that can afford that. Right. Here's just a breakdown of how it works. Let's take, for instance, the ambassador level. When the 16 people in your level 4 upgrades to ambassador, you get paid this amount. And if I'm not mistaken, it's about $10 per upgrade. Then you must be on ambassador or higher to receive these payments. And the same is applicable to each and every rank and level here. Now, if you look here at mentor, this is already beginning to make a big difference in your financial balance already. If you look at that, so you only get paid once from these upgrades. So if you haven't upgraded and one of your 64 people have upgraded and you missed it, you cannot get that money back. So that's another reason for you to upgrade as soon as possible, as high as possible. Right, you will receive these payments only once from the people in your network, and then there is just the level 15 breakdown. If you upgrade it to a next rank, you will still receive the outstanding payments in all the levels below you that still needs to upgrade. What am I saying here? If you have upgraded to ambassador, for instance, you will still receive the outstanding payments for achievers on your 3rd level and the influencers on your 4th or your 2nd level. They will still pay you. You will not miss any of those, but you need to be on a higher rank. So the same applicable to all of these ranks. You will receive payment up to your own rank and everything that is still outstanding below you. Right, now the next payment or bonus is your 1.5% recurring level bonus, which is a new added on bonus in Rain BNB. This alone is where the name from Rain BNB comes from, because it's like small raindrops collecting daily into your wallet, and we know that each and every drop makes an ocean. So do not despise the 1.5% level bonus. Many people think that it's just 1.5%. What is it? Yeah, it is very small, but it accumulates, and it accumulates on a daily basis. If you have an active team, and if you also help the team, then you will receive this. This is just what it says. It's a bonus. You will receive this as a bonus. Right, now for you to qualify to receive this bonus, you need to be on an influencer rank at least, and you will receive 15 levels deep, this 1.5%. As people register and as they upgrade, you will receive it, and you need to have 2 directs on influencer as well. So you need to be on influencer rank, and you must have 2 directs on influencer. If you are just on beginner or you only have 1 direct referral, you will only receive the 1.5% from beginners in your network. So you will miss out on other payments. So people, believe me, here is a example of one account that started on the 16th of January when this contract was launched. And up until 2 weeks ago, this is what it already incurred, 2.3 BNB, just from this 1.5% recurring level bonus. So do not despise this 1.5% that it is. It's not worth it. Yes, where you literally get paid while you sleep. This 1.5%. And your wallet is just transactions all day long. Right, here's just a breakdown of this matrix. So it's basically 2 different matrices. Your binary matrix, where your upgrade bonuses get where you get paid from the upgrades. There's where you have your level, where your 2, 4, 6, 8, and so on. But this level matrix, or the 1.5% recurring level matrix, is your direct referral matrix. So here, everything. This is your first level. This is your directs, and then you have your second level, which is your directs, and their directs again. So here you get paid 1.5% from level 2 to level 15. All right, do not despise this. This is very, very good, and it's like a passive type of income. All right, then your last bonus is your royalty bonus. Oh, sorry, not the last, before the last one is your royalty bonus. Here you will get paid on your highest rank. This qualifies when you start hitting icon rank up until creator. Here you will get paid every 24 hours a certain percentage that you need to claim. This is called your royalty bonus, and these percentages are already calculated within the registration and the upgrade fees when people join RainBnB. So nobody needs to pay any extra. This is where the money comes from this or for this bonuses. So the qualifying criteria is that you need to have 2 directs, which is compulsory for you to receive this royalty bonus. Many members, they just come in and they want to receive daily income. They upgrade directly to Icon, where they'll receive 1% daily of the total income of RainBnB. And then they just add 2 directs. So because you must have 2 directs, and then you will qualify for this royalty bonus. All right, this is getting paid out every 24 hours, and there are 5 different criteria or payouts, obviously on 5 different ranks that you're getting paid from. You need to claim this every 24 hours in your back office. This is passive income, and you only receive from the highest rank. So if you are on Emperor, you will not receive from Legend and Icon, but if you are on Emperor, you will see from the 0.60% for Emperor only. You will not receive the rest or the previous ones. Right, you will only receive twice the amount of the total investment from all or any income from that royalty pool. And then when you've reached twice the amount of this value, this royalty will cease, and then you will probably upgrade to the next one already, and you'll start receiving there again. Right now, the last nice bonus in RainBnB is your lifestyle bonus, which has 5 different plans or clubs. But basically, the first club is your Prime Club, and this is the first one to achieve extra bonuses. Here you will receive 0.5% on a daily basis, but it gets paid out weekly. And the qualifying criteria is that you need to be on director yourself, and you must have 5 directs as champions. And all must have qualified after 16th of January 2025. So you will receive 0.5% on a daily basis, which gets paid out weekly to you. You need to claim it in your back office until you reach the amount of $3,000 in BNB. Once you receive that amount, this bonus will stop. It will cease. Then you will start receiving from the next one if you are qualified for it. The next one is the Elite Club. You will also receive 0.5% daily on a weekly, gets paid out weekly. Here you need to be on a conqueror rank yourself, and you must have 3 emperors as direct. So just keep in mind, here is 5 direct, you need 5 direct, here is 3. Remember we said you need to refer as many as possible. Here already, for this bonus, you need to have, for this lifestyle bonus, you need to have a minimum of 10 directs if you want to qualify for all of them. Let's carry on to the next one. Here you'll receive 0.2% daily on the Royal Club. It gets paid out weekly to you until you receive the amount of $50,000. Sorry, the Elite Club will pay you accumulated amount of $25,000 in BNB. And when they've reached that, then it will stop, it will cease. You will still receive this amount if it hasn't run out yet, or if you haven't reached it yet, and you have qualified for this one already. This one will still carry on, and it will up until it receives $3,000. But then this one will carry on until it receives $25,000 in BNB. The Royal Club, it will give you up into the amount of $50,000 in BNB, which gets paid out to you weekly. So many people, they misunderstand, they think they're getting 3,000 immediately. That you don't. You get it in small amounts up until you reach $3,000, or until you reach $25,000. And the same here on the Royal Club, until you reach $50,000. Crown Club, you will receive 0.15% daily that gets paid out weekly to you until you receive $100,000 in BNB. You need to be on Creator yourself, that's the last rank, and you must have 7 directs as Chancellor. Sorry, the Royal Club qualifying criteria is you must be on a Chancellor yourself, and you must have 5 directs as Conqueror. Right, and then the Supreme Club, the last one, you receive 0.15% daily, which gets paid out to you weekly until you receive $500,000 in BNB. Now, I don't know about you, but this is going to take a long time, and obviously it depends on the whole community worldwide. So yes, here you need to be on a Creator yourself, that's the last rank, the highest rank, and you must have 10 directs also on Creator. So there are many people, they don't want to leave anything on the table. They going for gold here. Here we're going for BNB. We're going for the highest rank, for highest bonuses. Then you need to have 10 directs referred to directly with your link. Right, so don't just watch others succeed. Be one of those that they do watch. So join the RainBNB if you haven't done it yet. Let's have a look at the future roadmap of RainBNB. We do not have much information about these projects yet, but they are coming. They are planning to launch them end of this year. We'll get more news, and start of next year maybe. They're planning to launch their own gaming tokens, exchange, trading bot, gaming projects, their own blockchain even, and also other Web3 projects like NFTs and so on. So we do not have much information about these yet. But what are they doing? They are building up the community first, and then they are launching these things, where we will all benefit in the long run. So as KK always tells us, we are only looking at the trailer now of this movie playing out. So we do not know what is coming. So while we're building up the community, and we will all benefit from these projects when they do launch. So that is what I can tell you at this moment from this. We do not have much information about that yet. And then, as I said earlier on, yeah, it's just a difference in the starting on beginner and starting on ambassador from the get-go. This account has started on beginner. It has accumulated on this time when this picture was taken around $7,000, and it reached Titan rank in 4 months. This account, and it started in September 2024. This account also started in September 2024. It's on champion rank. It reached champion in 7 months, and it accumulated, or it made about $2,500 in BNB. And the only thing that it used to get there is $227. This account used about $900 to get to around $7,000 in that time. They also both started on beginners and did the organic thing, everybody started in the team with beginners and upgraded like that. So this is the difference on starting on ambassador or higher ranks. Obviously, the higher you start, your team will also start there, but that's up to each and every person. There's just a difference in a very short time. This account upgraded to director in only 14 days because everybody started on ambassador rank. And this one started on the 1st of March. And 14 days later, it upgraded to director. The other account, also in the same team, is on mentor, or went to mentor rank in 4 days. And there are plenty of other accounts that also upgraded to higher ranks. And because they all started on the ambassador rank. Right here, you can see the difference in what they paid. This account paid about $460, but it accumulated almost $1,200. And this one basically doubled what it accumulated, doubled what it used to upgrade with. So yes, that's the difference in starting with a beginner and starting with higher ranks. But the choice is up to you, and whatever you can manage and are able to afford, that is totally up to you. All right. Here's also proof of payment, which many people are asking, which we also get, and I'm sure many of you have gotten that question as well. Show me the proof. Show me the money. Where's the money? I'll join when I can see the money. Show me where's your withdrawal. Well, here is one of my withdrawals that I made in April for people to have the proof. And this is just one of plenty of withdrawals. This is on the left side, the Binance screenshot. I did the withdrawal the night of the 21st. From SafePal, I sent it to Binance. And then from Binance, I converted it to South African rand and then sent it to my bank. And it was received the next morning, 4 o'clock, into my bank account. So take note that Binance takes 20 rand for an immediate withdrawal. And that is the difference because I withdrew 3,100, yeah. And this is what I received. So yes, that is proof of withdrawals from, that is basically, this has got nothing to do with RainBnB. This is just your crypto exchange that you must withdraw the money from there. But the money gets paid immediately to your Web3 wallet. And then from there on, what you want to do with that, it's up to you, it's your choice. So you can withdraw that money immediately. You can do whatever you want. You can take out your wife for dinner or buy whatever you want to, or send it to anybody. Right, so there is no issues with withdrawals here. There's no issues with payments. There's nobody in control here. The smart contract operates everything for you on your behalf. You don't have to interfere. If you are qualifying to get paid, you get paid immediately. Nobody can stop you. Nobody can interfere. There is nothing that can stop you from getting through. So yes, ask yourself the following questions. What is your why? Why are you existing in life? What do you want to achieve in life? The most of our whys we need, or for the answers of most of our whys, we need vitamin M, and that's money, finances. So what are you waiting for as you listen to that song in the beginning? What are you waiting for? And we see that even the Bible, the Word of God says that He watches the wind. He does not sow, and He looks at the clouds, does not reap. So if you're going to wait for the perfect situation or time, there will never be a perfect time or situation for you to start. We know that. We always say, yeah, tomorrow. But tomorrow never comes. Tomorrow there will be another excuse. Tomorrow there will be another thing that's going to stop you from taking that step and going over into action. The best time to start was yesterday, and the next best time to start is now. So whatever, is there anything that is keeping you back from starting your journey in RainBnB, sort it out as soon as possible and get going. If you have any other questions, try and get the answers, get them. We have actually done the due diligence for you in this presentation. Where people always ask the questions. Everything is legit. It's there. It can show you everything that you want to know. But do not wait for the right circumstances. The guy who watches the wind, he will never sow because he thinks that the wind is going to blow everything away and the clouds or the rain is going to take the seed away that he's going to plant. So he will not reap any harvest if he does not plant. You do not know what will happen tomorrow. Nobody knows that. The best time to start is now. Get your questions. If you still have any questions or doubts, get them answered. Ask your upline, ask the person who invited you here, and get going and let us build this platform together and get your finances in order. Right, so yes, please get back to the person that invited you and let it rain BNB. So you can start building your business that's going to pay you for the rest of your life. But the secret of getting ahead is to get started. So take action, get back to the person that invited you, and let's build this business and carry on. I thank you very much for your time. I don't know if there's any other questions. Maybe Winnie, I think over to you. You can carry on. Winnie, I think you're on mute. You can just unmute yourself, Winnie. Or because I'm the host, you're muted.
Thank you so much.
Oh.
Thank you so much, Johan. I've been asking you to make me the host because I gave you the hosting right. We've got a lot of power cuts. Yes, in case it happened on my side, I needed you to be able to carry on. And thank you so much for the amazing presentation, especially for the new guests that are here with us tonight. Kindly contact the person that has invited you to this meeting and get started with Rain BNB. If you have questions about the business, tomorrow we have our training session and we also open the platform there so that you can be able to ask your questions. Otherwise, if tomorrow is way too far for you, you can just ask either the person that invited you or even anybody that you can get hold of. She will be able to guide you for the uplines and anybody else that can assist you so that you can start this amazing journey. Thank you so much, Johan. Thanks to all our guests and have a beautiful, blessed evening. Thank you.